a little bit of an update on how, like, just for all of our listeners who don't actually know what you do yet, tell us about what you do and how you change other people's lives, and, obviously how that kind of helps you back.
We transform people, not just on a weight loss or health or a visual level, but on an inside level, on a chemical change level. We make them believe in themselves more. We empower them. They get more opportunity. They get more hope, confidence, and they step up to higher levels than what they otherwise thought was possible. And that's one of the most addictive things, I think, in the world. And what we've said is that they say that sugar is more addictive than cocaine. If you look at the brain, how it lights up. But in my opinion, helping others to achieve and grow and get belief in themselves, that's way more addictive than anything. It's almost like being a parent on a big level. Like, you can help lots and lots of people to get their life back on track. Even just seeing, a message from Louis just before your partner, how much he's transformed and who he is as a human right now is just, it's gobsmacking. And so that's what we kind of do. But we also have systemized it now so that we can help others to help others to help others, so that we can help millions of people all around the world to feel the same way that we do. It's the biggest, most awesome blessing that, but it takes time to get that kind of synergy so that it does grow quite organically. And, you've got to be steadfast with systems and rhythms, and you need to have good people around you. That's for sure. So we only feel like we're just getting started, don't we?
Yeah. And I think that one of Ben's innate strengths, it's just built inside of him, is this ability to motivate other people to motivate themselves. He just has an enormous, infinite amount of belief in himself and in other people, and especially when they don't believe that. So I think that that's probably the cornerstone of everything that we the philosophy of everything that we do in all sorts of different areas, is that sense of, instilling that into other people, and then the butterfly effect of that. But that's just literally who Ben is. Like, I feel like he came out of the womb that way. And so we just try to build on that in lots of ways.
I'm not sure I did, I came out a little different perhaps, but I think if you don't look for people, I think that if you don't look for people that really do believe in you, then you're not going to get the growth that you potentially could get. And it's a proven fact. If someone believes in you more than you believe in yourself, then you can chemically change them. You can make them more successful. So believing into others is awesome. And if you've got people that don't believe in you, you got to get out of that space. You got to go to places where when they're everywhere. There's truckloads of them. I'll tell you what, there's millions out there. You just got to open your eyes up and have a bit of courage to fail perhaps, and go out there and connect and talk to people and find someone, find a mentor or whatever it might be.